Start making money right now with CPA marketing using this simple strategy and a free strategy right now. But before we dive right into the strategy of today, if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos of ways you could make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of other AI tools out there. If you do like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right here. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I do release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right back into the video, I'm going to be utilizing this platform called CPA Grip to actually do this strategy, but you could use any other CPA marketing platform. And if you do log into your account like I am right now, you can actually come on to selecting offers from this page by going onto the offer tools section, click on my offers, be brought to this page, filter your offers to any demographic of your choice, and you can just simply filter the offers based on payout to get offers with the highest paying offers, and go on to selecting a very cool sweepstake offer. This one right here is a good one which gives out $100 towards Wingstop, and you can see right here that it's available for people in the United States that uses desktop devices. They just need to submit their email address while doing this using your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid $2.31. So if I copy the link to the offer, I can go on to creating a landing page either with Google Sites, or maybe I could use Linktree right now, and it is quite easy to do so. I'm not going to walk you through that right there because I already have videos that show you how to do that. If you want to gain access to such videos, go onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and just simply go on to type in a landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter, it's going to bring you right here, of which you can see the videos I created for you that shows you how to create simple landing pages right now with either Google Sites, Systemy.io, Breezy.cloud, Webflow, or any other landing page builder sites out there. So check out those videos as they could help you create simple and amazing landing pages that help you get better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. So once you've done that right now, we're going to go onto this particular platform called the timebox.com. This is absolutely an amazing platform that if you do go into analyzing based on similar web statistics, you'll be able to see the amount of traffic this website gets, and it gets about 3.3 million visits in the last 28 days. That is a huge amount of traffic right now. And if you do scroll down to the bottom section, you can see where most of its traffic comes from the most. These are the top countries that visit this website the most, so it is quite much more advisable to go on to selecting offers from countries such as this. You can actually select offers from multiple countries and actually put that in your Linktree link and actually indicate from which country those offers are actually available for on the Linktree page, then go on to promoting that on this platform called timebox.com. As you can see right here, you could get paid on Facebook to post funny, to view funny slideshows, to play games, to install apps, to complete micro tasks, and also answer surveys. So right now, if you do go on to sign up to an account right here, as you can see, I'm on an account right here. This is my account right now. So I've signed up to my account. You can just simply come right here, click on earnings right now, and if you do click on earnings right here, you can actually do go on to seeing much more details right there. I actually created this new account just for showing you this purpose right now. You can actually go on to clicking on earn right here, where you'll be able to see some micro tags that you can actually go on to doing right here. As you can see, this is our surveys. If you do click on tags, you can see some tags that you could just simply go on to doing and start earning some cool money right now. As you can see, the page is loading up, but while the page is loading up, you can see right here that there are actually people that are earning some cool cash right here. This person has earned $66 right now, which is actually the first position. And you can see right here, other people are earning a lot of money from different countries around the world. You can see some tax right here, which is to join their official Telegram page. You do get paid this amount. You can see a lot of tax right here that you could just simply go into doing in the space of a minute or less, and you're going to be earning some cool cash right here. So basically what you want to do right now, guys, is to make sure you list your offers among one of these offers right now. But before you can list your offers among one of these, you need to actually complete a lot of tasks right here to actually generate some cool income that you could use to promote your offer and list that among one of those. So to list yours, you want to come right here to this section that says advertise. If you do click on advertise right now, it's going to go on to loading up the page for you. And as you can see right here, I'm brought to this particular section where you can see my campaigns. But what you want to do right now is to go into this section that says create campaign, and you want to wait for the page to load up. And you can see right here, you must have at least $5 in your advertising wallet to create a campaign. And guys, basically guys, you could go on to doing the tax campaign or the click campaign right there. But you can see for the click campaign right now, you just need to go on to giving your campaign a simple name, adding an internal campaign title, a simple description, paste in the link to that your landing page or your CPA marketing offer. You can actually go on to excluding countries you don't want to just simply target, or you could actually go on to removing all the countries right here in this particular section to only target the United States. Maybe if you're actually focusing on the United States alone, I'm just going to go on to clicking on remove all, and this section right here, I'm just going to go on to targeting only the United States. So I'm just going to scroll down to this section and actually look for the United States right there. So if I select the United States, you can see the amount of traffic or amount of people I can actually reach in that particular demographic. You can select the type of device the offer is available to, desktop device, select the type of traffic source you want to utilize right there, and once you've actually selected that, you can see the operating system. You could select that also. You can see the browser, you can see the gender, the user quality, and actually do fill out all these details based on your preference. But it is quite important that you take note of this bid per click. This is actually the amount you're going to be paying people for clicking on that offer right now. So if you do come right here, maybe you could go on to paying them about, let me say, 1 cent right there. You can actually do pay them this amount. You can see right here, this is the bid per second. This is the minimum bid right here which you could pay, and the recommended bid is actually 10 cents right there. You can actually go on to put in your campaign budget which you want to spend hourly. You can actually put in your hourly submission cap, your daily spend cap, your daily submission cap, and actually fill out all these details right here. So right here guys, you can actually choose how frequent you want to allow users to perform your task, and you can actually go on to put in about unique 5 minutes or 6 hours or any amount of time you want, or in terms of days, or unique forever. That means you actually don't want multiple people to like a same person to go on to completing your task multiple times. So once you're done, just simply confirm that you have actually read through the terms of service and actually go on to clicking on submit for approval, and your ads will be run on this particular platform, and you can then go on to making some cool cash right here with this particular strategy. So this is a very cool platform. I do hope you actually take advantage of to start driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers. You could also go on to using this tag section right here. Like I said earlier, you could just simply go on to creating a campaign, but you actually need to have about at least $5 before you can create a campaign for the tag section on your account. So that is basically how you could start driving traffic to this. I'm using a new account to actually show you this right here. So why not just simply leverage this and go on to making a lot of money online. If the video did add some value, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.